Happy Valentine's Day. Are you ready to start a strength training workout? This workout already builds on the mobility work we've already done. And if your body is feeling a little bit more settled, that's intentional. So, the strength work we're doing today, I simply want to focus on stabilization and support. Let's get started. All right, so first things first, we're going to start with sit to stand squats, okay? You can do this right from the comfort of your own living room or bedroom. First things first, I'm starting in a seated position. My feet are flat on the ground. Make sure you realize or feel the ground supporting you, okay? Now, as I rise, I'm going to press through my heels back down. Press through my heels, back down. I want you to notice my hand movements. So I have both of my hands in front of me just for stabilization. If you need to do that, feel free to integrate that, okay? So we're going to do sit to stand squats for about 10 to 12 reps. Let's aim for 12. And just a light tap as you come down. Now notice that as I stand, my chest is high. And as I sit down, it's just like I'm going to use the bathroom or I'm going to sit in a chair. We're going to extend our glutes all the way behind us. Push through your heels. Make sure you feel your ground supporting you, nice and grounded. I think we have about 2 to go. And most importantly, we want our knees to stabilize us. Knees out, they should never cave in. All right, so now we are going to do side to side jumping jacks. Now, I know it sounds weird. This is the modified version of jumping jacks, but listen, if you want to go for it, help yourself. Okay, we're going to repeat this about 14 times, and let me show you how to do it. So instead of up and down, feet shoulder width apart, remember we want to stand firmly on our mat or on that ground and with our hands up and outright, just like we're, YMCA. So we're going to have our arms out right to the sides of us, and we're going to step to the side as we move our arms like so. So I'm taking left foot extended out to the side of me with my arms raised overhead. Bring your left foot back to the starting position while lowering your arms. We're going to repeat that same movement or motion on the right side of our body. I'm just sticking my tippy toe out. Now, here's the thing. I see a lot of ladies not breathing while moving. It's okay to breathe. It's okay to get that blood circulating to the rest of those muscles. Core, nice and braced. How you feeling? We're gonna lay it down. We're gonna lay it down. We're gonna go into some dead bugs. If you have your water nearby, go ahead and take a sip. All right, so we want to get on our back. While we're lying on our back, we want our hands, both hands, lifted in the air, and our feet comes up, forming a 90-degree angle. So you see this? This is exactly how we want to be. Arms up, back flat on the mat. Now here's the thing, take your pelvis. Hold on, let me put my feet down first. Before we put our feet in the air, let's roll our pelvis back. Now, feet in the air, forming that 90-degree angle. Our core nice and tight, navel to back, hands in the air. So we're going to take our left foot, or our left leg, and we're going to extend it out as we extend our right arm out above our heads. Okay? To keep it simple, we're going to do one side at a time. We're extending our left leg out and our right arm above our head. Hold 1 second and back to the top. The key here is not to let that leg touch the floor. Fingers pointed towards the ceiling. We're going to repeat that motion. Now, this is really helpful for your core stabilization and balance. Let's do the other side. Then that right leg and that left arm. Make sure you're breathing. You may feel that burn and that resting leg. I do apologize, guys. You cannot see my foot because this chair is blocking it. But please know that my foot is not touching the ground. Okay, core nice and tight. That wasn't too bad. Now, we will progress this exercise as our muscles strengthen. Next up, we're going to do the core bridge. We can still stay in this position. However, we're going to bring our feet back on the ground. It's really important to feel supported here, okay? Because we will be pressing through our heels, arms out to the side. Now, I like to keep my arms palms up, okay? Chin tucked. And what we're going to do is we're going to drive our glutes into the air like so. Look at this line, okay? My legs, my glutes, and my core is supporting me. This is a core exercise. We're not going to hold. We're going to drop back down and repeat, okay? Let's do this about 10 times. Come up as high as you can.
Key here is to press through your heels. So if you need to bring your toes in the air, just to make sure you're not pressing through your toes, I recommend you do that. Chin tuck, make sure you're engaging all of your core muscles.
That wasn't too bad. Got a little sweat here, but let me know in the comments how you're feeling after that movement. Notice how your body feels after this workout. Not just your muscles, but your nervous system as well. The safety supports consistency. Make sure you come back to this workout again when you feel grounded and capable.